Hi guys, my name is VIEN'S and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you my treasure box that I make. I didn't show to you because I forgot to vlog it. So today I'm going to show it to you now. But first, kindly like, comment, and click the red button to subscribe in my channel. Okay, so this is for my text and posts. I think you have that. If you know that, guys, comment below. So I'm going to show it to you now. Okay, it's a little bit heavier. So this is it. This is my treasure box. It's a little bit heavy. See that? There's a butterfly on it and there's some flowers. I forgot to put some flowers right over here. So it will be 11 because this is only 9. Okay, so the butterflies is 6. I have 6 butterflies and they have a big one. And this butterflies is from the cake. This is from the cake to my cousin because her birthday. She's 18 years old now. So yeah, this is the lock on my treasure box. See that? I nail polish it. See, this is the pink nail polish and this is a glittery nail polish with black. So yeah, this butterflies flies with tree. It looks like blood, but it's not blood. It looks like blood, so I'm going with the tree. She's there because this is her room. Oh yeah. So I'm going to show it to you, my leaves. See that? Oh, you can see it. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you now. So this is it, the leaves. I nail polish it with green, light green, because I don't have anything that is dark green. It's actually really green in the camera, but in real life, it's not. So this is the glittery in the other treasure box, and this locked treasure box. So this is it. I put some black, so there's going to be black a little bit. And this is the tree. And the butterfly is stuck from the tree, so her mother is going to the rescue. Or this sister. So yeah, so I paint with nail polish with 4 leaves only. So it means they are falling down. Going to show it to you. So this is it. My tree nail polish. The other one is so beautiful and so soft and really cool too. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have here some black. Yeah. So I have here some heart too, in case I love this treasure box. I paint with it with pink just like in my lock, so this is a heart. I put some glue sticks, some hot glue gun too, and some nail polish. So we have here the mother butterfly. I love this mother. So cool. And this is, I'll show it to you. So this is the butterfly. It's not part of this family, but said in the thoughts, shape and sizes. At least there are still family. And this is the papa. This is the daddy butterfly. This is I'm telling you the big butterfly that I have in the cake, in my cousin cake, because I'm 9 years old and she's 18 years old. And we have here some dots. I'm going to show it to you later inside of this treasure box. So we have here some dots. I think this is 100 or not 100 because that is gold too. And the other one, it's a little bit like this, and the other one. Okay, I'm going to show it to you now. So I'm going to open it, guys. Woo! I'm going to unlock it now. Okay. So this is the box. It's round. This is the text. It's Sophia the First, Yaya Doves, play card, some text Hello Kitty, and some Candy Crush. We have here the Pinoy text. And we have here the old text. It looks like new, but comment below if you know this and if you have this. And I got here some books, Hello Kitty. It's two in the plastic, so yeah. So that's all for now, guys. Bye! Just wait for my next videos and don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe in my channel. Bye, guys!